Hello guys, you know I'm the African car guy. I love cars, and cars are the things apart from my family that makes me happy. So I was there last Monday and one of my subscribers inboxed me that the African car guy, I've seen a Range Rover Evoque that I love so much. Can you help me buy it? If you can check it out for me, what to look out for. If you wouldn't mind, could you go and check on it? If everything is okay, then I purchase it. And I said, oh, let me find time and I can do that for you. So we agreed on the date and the time that I will be free, which was today. So I just decided to go and pick it up and check about it, check on this car, and if it is okay, he goes ahead and make payment, which I did today. I went, checked everything out, and after checking everything was okay, so he decided to pay for it. So all that I told him is, for Range Rover Evoque, all that you need to know about purchasing it is check for oil leaks, because we all know Land Rover cars are well noted for oil leaks. Both the old ones and the new ones, they are all noted for oil leaks. So that was the basic problem that I was looking out for. So I checked all over the engine, and there was no oil leaks. The suspensions, everything. It's a 2022 car, so everything was okay. I drove it, which drives very well, like a brand new car. So I gave him the go ahead, and I did all the API check on it. Everything came back as perfect. So I gave him the go ahead to purchase it, and this car is a lovely car. It drives very well. So one of my subscribers will be enjoying his new car. Beautiful Land Rover Evoque TDI 2022, guys. Love it. Oh, this guy is gonna be happy. So that's all for today. I purchased a Land Rover Evoque for one of my subscribers, and I'm driving it now, dropping it over to him. Guys, if you are purchasing a car and you are not sure about it, just contact the African car guy. Even if I'm free, I can help you out on purchasing it. So this is how he contacted me, bought it for him, and I'm now driving to deliver it to him. What a story. $33,773 miles only. Yes, and there we go. I purchased it for him today Range Rover Evoque TDI 6-speed manual gearbox. That's it. And he's happy.